Hi everyone, it's Kaykins22, Katie, as you know me as Katie. Anyways, so I'm just here to update you again. I haven't had a video in so long because I've just been busy this past month of May because it's just so hectic, like the last few weeks of school and everything. And now it's June and I'm almost done with school and everything. So I'm just gonna update you of what's going on about my videos and other things. Okay, so my next video is gonna be probably after I'm out of school, and my last day of school is June 15th, so it probably will be in the middle of June or at the end because I don't know, I still have to write a script. I don't really know what song I'm gonna do. I want to do like some kind of summer song, so I'm either gonna do California Girls by Katy Perry, which I really want to do, but it's kind of like there's Snoop Dogg in it and he raps a lot, so it's kind of hard to do, and it's hard to make a music video for that, so yeah. And my other video that I might want to make is What Time Is It? Like High School Musical did that song, but the only thing is wrong with it, I've already done that, but only pictures and like a little movie dancing kind of thing with my cousins. But I thought it would be really fun to do that one too because it's summer and it's kind of cool. So yeah, and I might be doing a video to evacuate the dance floor in July, but I'm not really sure because I don't know if that song is going to be out of the music, like no one listens to it anymore by that time, so I'm not really sure. And I'm going to be on vacations and everything, so I don't know if I'm going to be busy, have other plans, so that's why I'm like, in the summer I barely have videos because I like to hang out in the summer instead of doing inside movies and stuff like that because I'd rather be spending it outside. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about collab because I really want to be in a collab channel, but the only thing I don't like about some collab channels is like it's not like exciting. It's not like they're not the best like things like I don't know, categories or like events, like a topic every day, and I keep getting responses like, hey, do you want to be in this collab? But not all of them are the best, and I don't really know these people. So I really like to be in a collab with like some of my friends on YouTube. I want it to be very fun, and I can only do it on Monday and Wednesdays. I don't really know my schedule in the summer, so I don't know if I'm going to be open that many times, but I'd really like to be in a collab with anyone that has like good topics and challenges because I just don't like when they're boring and I don't know the people and they don't put on a good production. I just have to check it out, and if I don't really like their collabs, then I won't be in it or I won't audition. I just really want to be in a collab, so if you have a collab that you think is really good and it would be enjoyable, please let me know because I would love to be in a collab, especially in the summer and I don't have homework to worry about or anything like that. Well, now I'm going to talk about sub for sub, and I don't really like when people like write on my channel they're like sub for sub, or they like demand you to subscribe. Like, okay, I got 300 subs. That is really good for me because I was really wanting 300 subs for quite a while. Not that long, but I've been wanting that. And I still need 500 subscribers by the end of August. If I don't get that by August, I will promise you, well, I'm not really promising anything, but I hope I get 500 by the end of this year, and my goal next year will be 1,000. So I hope I get 1,000 by next year, at the end of next year, but I'm really hoping for 500 by the end of August, which is basically the end of summer. So I know a lot of people go on YouTube in the summer because they're not busy with school stuff. So if you see my channel, see this, please subscribe because I really am hoping for 500 subscribers. And thank you so much for 300 and everything. And if you have any questions, please comment in on this video or comment on my page or even send a message. So just remember, subscribe, comment, and anything else. So thank you. Bye.